Okay, this video is for the remote and the television here at 109 Lake Village. The remote is quite simple. Power button is up here on the top. When I turn it on, the TV will turn on and you'll see all the apps loaded at the bottom of the screen. This is a streaming TV, there's no cable for it. To turn the volume of the TV up, push that button up, turn it down right there. If you want to mute the TV, just push the button. TV is muted, and then push the power button or push that button up again, and you will get volume. So to get an app, one of the apps that's a common one is Spectrum TV. That's the local provider. Load it. Again, streaming TV. Arrow down to go through the guide. Select what you want. And you're off and running. Other apps, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV. You can see YouTube, all of the apps all along the bottom. These should all work. NFL Sunday Package, Sling TV, etc. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much.